Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your Lim app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You come to email here, you just click on it. So then here uh, add your email here. Then you click on next, then automatically it's going to change with you on your Lim app. So that's all you have to do to change your email. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.